Digging into English, the intricacies of interrogative pronouns. Hello, English language learners. Today we're diving deep into the world of English grammar to explore a fundamental yet fascinating concept: interrogative pronouns. They might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry. We'll break it down into easy-to-understand sections. Interrogative pronouns are very simple. They're the words we use to ask questions. These include who, whom, whose, what, and which. These words are essential to English communication because they help us ask for information we need. Who is used to ask about people. Whom is also used to ask about people, but in a more formal context or when the person is the object of the sentence. Whose is used to ask about possession. What is used to ask about things or situations. Which is used to ask about a specific choice or options among a known group. Now that we understand what interrogative pronouns are, let's practice identifying them in sentences. This will help reinforce your understanding and give you a feel for how they're used in real-life English. Consider the sentence, "Who ate the last slice of pizza?" The word, who, is the interrogative pronoun because it's used to ask a question about a person. Let's look at another example. Whose book is this? Here, whose is the interrogative pronoun as it's inquiring about possession. In the sentence, which color do you prefer? The word, which, is the interrogative pronoun, asking for a specific choice. It's your turn now. Let's do some practice exercises. I'll give you a sentence, and you need to identify the interrogative pronoun. 1. What is your name? 2. Which is your car? 3. Who told you that? 4. Whose coat is this? 5. Whom should I contact? Take a moment to think about it, and when you're ready, let's review the answers. 1. What is your name? 2. Which is your car? 3. Who told you that? 4. Whose coat is this? 5. Whom should I contact? Did you get them all correct? Great job! Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if you missed some. And that's a wrap on our lesson on interrogative pronouns. I hope this has helped clarify this essential part of English grammar for you. Remember, who, whom, whose, what, and which are your go-to pronouns for asking questions. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until our next English adventure, keep learning and happy studying.